Alright guys, let's take a look at 326 again. Yesterday I used two pictures from grade 12. Today I'll use two pictures from grade 11. Take a look. Maybe use this guy. Okay, same thing. Download it, and then I just drag it to GIMP like this. To open. I'm low in pixels. So brush 38 would do. But once again, I don't recommend you to use a heal tool to cover big areas like this. If you were to use it, it's Control, click the command and click, and then like that. Okay, but it will be a lot of work, and still it will look kind of patchy still, right? You can still see the hand going on. So I will recommend using big area like this. Okay, big area, and then copy and paste. Okay, and then move things over like so. Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay, and I would also recommend you not to go to view and not to look at layer boundary, so you can actually see how it can match with the background. Okay, I can use heal tool, probably clone tool to remove that hand or a smaller patch. But let me work on this first. Right click, layer, add layer mask, so I can hide a part of the layer by filling in black in the layer mask to hide the boundaries. That's usually when it doesn't really look quite natural together. Okay. Make it blend a little bit better. Okay. So after this, I can right click, go to new from visible. Yeah, new from visible. So now I actually merge everything together. So this is actually one layer. So I can once again find something from here to similar size to this, right? Similar size to the hand, and same thing. Move it over. Well, that looks pretty good. But again, I want to match the weight. So this time I'm going to actually go to tools, right click tools, transform tools, perspective, and I can actually move this way a little bit up like this. Okay. Move it up like this. Let's see how I can match. Click transform, click enter, and let's use a layer mask on it again, like so. Usually the edges first. So you can see how this little bit I can use a heal tool to fix that. Okay, I can see a line here. You guys see two lines here. One line, two lines here. So that I can fix. Right click, new from visible again. And let's use a smudge tool to see. Okay, that looks a little bit blurry. I don't like that. Maybe I will use the heal tool. I don't like that either. Clone tool. Okay. Control, click, let go of control, and you copy from the texture from far away. Okay. Not that. Copy from here. Yeah, that's the right texture. And then I got this going on. Lines. So I would make sure that I copy from left to right instead of from top to bottom, bottom to top. Make sure the texture is consistent. I can see the lines in here. No problem. Alright. That looks okay to me. Okay, remember to click, don't drag, otherwise you're just copying the whole thing. Okay, so small clicks. I give it small clicks. Up here. That's pretty good. constantly I'm zooming out to see where am I doing not good and go back to fix it. And this leg, simple. Here. And then move. That looks pretty good. Okay. So another way to do this, which is fast but not as good as layer mask, is you can just use an eraser to erase around it. But it's the same thing. But I'm not using layer mask, so I can go back to anything to fix things if I don't like how they look. Okay. Let me just use a cursor. Okay. Oh, I need to move the whole thing. Not just layer mask. That's what I wanted to do. I was moving the layer mask. Great, can't even see him anymore. Last thing, I want to actually remove this shadow, which is case. I can work on. I think this big shadow is from something else. This shadow is case, so I can actually erase it. So let me make sure I choose the right layer, and then I'm trying this. Tool. Yeah, clone tool is a little bit tedious, but once you get a hang of it, it should be okay. Especially if you can find similar texture to fill it in. It's definitely more work than just using a whole patch of sand to fill that in. Don't lose texture, so don't make sure that your things don't look mushy. What does it mean by mushy? It's mushy, like that. That's mushy. Okay, make sure that it doesn't look mushy like that. Okay, otherwise I can call fake right away already. Okay, make sure you have some texture in the stuff that you're doing. Texture up here. That looks pretty good already. Right. It's a little bit mushy here, I admit, but overall, I like what I'm looking at. Okay, cool. Let me make sure I can show you my cursor. Sorry about that. Show sessions and tabs. Remote cursor, right there. Okay, let's do a second picture, shall we? Second picture, let's choose, this is a popular one, remove the boy. So, convert, background, image, fit canvas to layers. Great. A lot of my students in the past have done it. I haven't done it myself, but I can imagine you just use a clone tool to do this. Want something bigger? Oh, that's pretty easy. Garbage is pretty consistent in texture, I'm guessing. Water. Wow, he's gone. And I can remove this guy too, if I want to. A little bit mushy here, so I can fix it. Okay. So another way of doing this is, let me just another way of doing this is use my old way, which is to copy, paste, move it over, and use some layer mask to hide the edges. Once again, you don't want to be viewing the layer boundary for now. Okay, so if I want to hide this, I don't want to hide this part. Well, that looks pretty good already. Ooh, black. Black. Wow, that's pretty good. And then right click, new from visible. Now, let me just deal with the visible layer. I can use some clone tool to fix the edges here, right? My head, brush head is too big. That's why. Alright, now it's pretty good to me. There's some inconsistency here, right? These things don't stop right there and then, right? So I want to make sure that they look natural and consistent. Okay. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Alright. Zoom in, take a look at what's off. This one I can just use a clone tool to fix, no problem. Okay, the heel tool is more suitable for fixing blemishes on the face, I would say. Okay, and that's how you do it. So how do you do before and after? Okay, let me just give you an example by giving you a random picture. Okay, so for example, you work on this picture. Oh no, I don't like the background. Okay, go to image, fit canvas to layers like this. So you work on this, and for example, I'm going to change the color to something else. Okay, like so, right? Oh, let's hope that you actually save the original. But let's say I copy the original, paste. Okay, that was my mistake. And you go to do something with the color. Okay, I'm gonna change it to another color. Click OK. Right now we got two colors going on, right? I want to put them side by side. Side by side. Go to image, canvas size. There's a little bit math involved, so you need to double that width to 1440. Click resize. Now you can move one of the pictures to the new area that you created, and you can actually click the words tool and to before. I typed before, but you can't see it because I need to change the color to before, and I want to put after. So when you move the words, make sure that you move the black part, not the white part, otherwise you're moving the background. Okay, like so. And I go back to the Words app tool. Oh, okay, I copy the picture, not the layer. Okay, let me see if I can still do it. Duplicate layer. Yeah, that's still a word layer. Okay, like so. Still in white. Okay, like so. Okay, now some of you have trouble because your tools are different, I noticed. So what you need to do is to go to Edit, Preference, Toolbox, and deselect the Show Group. Oh, mine actually doesn't have it because I think it's an older version of GIMP. Show two groups. Deselect that, otherwise you might actually see different set of tools like events. So make sure that you have the same set of tools as I do. Okay.